Hello and welcome to the Grammator Academy. Today I'll show you people how I use PowerPoint for my YouTube lectures and videos. So let's start. Here on the top I put my topic title and below I can put text, pictures, videos, can answer tables and charts and more I need. Here how I insert table to my PowerPoint slides. Put the desired numbers of columns and rows and how I can customize the table format. Here I put charts when needed for my numerical data and choose my charts and put the values. I too format for my charts. Press Ctrl plus M for new slide. Here I can insert pictures, videos, icons, 3D models and much more what I need. Now I'm ready to record the slides and present them. Press on the slideshow, but let's apply animations and transition to the text and slides. Here how I apply animations and transition to my text and slides. Remember, animations we apply to text and objects, while transition we apply to slides. So we are ready to present the slides. Let's check the pen, highlighter and pointer. Okay, all are perfect. We are ready. You can see the animation and transition and the slides. Save the slide as a video. Now the PowerPoint is ready to create the video. So now our video is ready and let's play the video. What we has done you can see in the video clearly. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question or confusion, you can ask in the comment below.